everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're well. Today we're at Gralha again. It looks really nice, but it's actually very windy. And that's why we're down here at the top. It was way too windy to launch. But you can kind of ground handle up the hill and launch from halfway up the hill. So we thought we've tried something we've been wanting to try for a while.
Yeah, we've attached, you've probably seen before on the video where we attached some little threads to the seed.
Telltales.
Telltales they're called. So we could see like the motion of the wind on it and any kind of turbulence. But we've never actually attached it to a full-size wing, and we've never seen
the wing
actually in flight. It's always been from ground handling.
Yeah.
So we thought that we would use this tape today, attach it to the full-size wing, and see if we can see some areas of turbulence while Andreas is actually flying.
Yeah. So it's kind of like semi-transparent, like police tape. It's just plastic, and it kind of breaks quite easy. So I think that's a good little safety feature. But yeah, we'll attach it to different places and see how we get on.
Yeah, let's have a go.
How much should we do? Not much?
That looks about right.
That's the right length, isn't it? I'm only gonna give them 1 knot so they're not super tight. Right, so it's all tied in. We ended up doing 6 and 2 and then 1. I think the tricky bit is gonna be putting the wing up and them not getting tangled in other lines like this, but we'll see. And also ground handling it, this beginning bit is really hard because usually there isn't a lot of wind down here, but we'll just see how it goes. Okay, change of plans. There's way too much turbulence, so I'm just going to go to the lower takeoff, lay it out nicely, and just have a clean launch instead. It's too tricky today. We're free. Thanks, Gemma.
You're welcome.
a nice little exercise, but I'm getting a little bit cold and tired, so I think it's time to land, and I'll try to land on the camera. We'll see how well that goes.
Almost.
That's not too bad.
Oh man, so much warmer down here.
Are you a bit cold?
That's just, yeah, a little bit. But anyway, hope you enjoy that. It's just a little experiment. If you like to see any other these, any crazy experiments like this that kind of like helps us visualize a bit better what's going on, let us know in the comments. Also, if you want to come and ground handle with us, get to learn how to control your wing on a nice safe beach like this, check out the link in the description. There's still some places available for our ground handling retreats in autumn. And as always, I want to thank all of these people on Patreon for supporting the channel and being awesome and allowing us to do this.
Wonderful people.
Wonderful people. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.